So, how many times in life have you faced this situation when somebody else has taken away your buck, or somebody else has taken away your opportunity, somebody else has taken away what you really deserved? That has happened to me, that has happened to every entrepreneur looking at making it big and looking at making himself a life of his own. Okay, so there are a few tips which I'm going to share with you today. Number one is learn your art. Be good at what you're doing, be the best at what you're doing. How will you achieve that? You will achieve that by reading books, by learning about your game, searching YouTube videos, taking the teachings from your leaders, and understanding each and every small aspect of the same. Now, I realize this too late in life, and I don't want you to go through that. अ, कभी भी है ना, किसी को जब आप काम देते हो ना, तो देने के पहले सोचो कि अगर वो इंसान को दे रहे हो आप काम, वो अगर ले ले तो क्रेडिबिलिटी भी तो उसके पास जाएगी ना। और जो क्लाइंट का आपका ट्रस्ट होता है, भरोसा होता है, क्लाइंट उसके ऊपर करता है। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास नॉलेज कम है, आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन वो प्रोडक्ट की या वो चीज़ की नहीं है, तो somebody else will by default take away the credit. Correct? But what if you become an expert at your game and you learn about that product and you go confidently with a quote, with a smart sexy quote like I'm wearing, in front of your client, talk to him confidently, tell him each and everything about the product, close him, get happy when you get your commission, you get your brokerage, you get your fee from him, and you're sorted, you're successful. What if that can happen? So यार दोस्तों, गलती मत करना कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप नहीं जानते हो उसके बारे में, तो आप उसके बारे में पहले सीखो, फिर जाके दूसरों को डेलीगेट करो। वो काम दूसरों को दे सकते हो, क्योंकि यार आप जानते हो, आपको कंट्रोल है वो चीज़ का। You know each and everything about that product. With the trust, you can let your client know that I am appointing someone because I cannot cater to that thing right now, I cannot cater to you right now. Be confident in telling your client that in confidence, and give the work to someone else. But if you don't know anything about your product, if you don't know the ABCD of what you're selling, if you don't know the ABCD of वो प्रोडक्ट क्या है, क्यों है, कैसे है, सो क्लाइंट भी आपका फ़ायदा उठाएगा, जिसको आपने काम दिया है वो भी फ़ायदा उठाएगा, एंड इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट। वंस यू लर्न टू टेक ओनरशिप ऑफ all these things, that it is your fault, you do not know the product, you do not know the things around you, and you will learn and make it a point to rock your sales business. Only then you will be able to, you know live the life of freedom, live the life of success, earn money, and earn money for not only you but your family. So number one tip, this is just keep it in mind यार. Short videos, they open my mindset also, and they'll open yours as well. कुछ सीखने के बाद अगर किस दोस्तों के साथ, अगर लोगों के साथ शेयर किया जाए, तो उसको ही नॉलेज बोलते हैं. तो आई एम डूइंग माई पार्ट इन शेयरिंग माई टिप्स एंड माई experiences with you. You can go ahead and share my videos along with the people who you think need it. Maybe your employees working with you in your company, maybe your teammates, maybe your boss even. कभी कभी बॉस को भी मालूम नहीं होता कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. तो शेयर इट विद देम, एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, आप खुद पहले सीखो. राइट? सो टेक केयर, या बाय, एंड एन्जॉय द रेन्स हैपनिंग आउटसाइड. मंडे इवनिंग बेस्ट है, गरम चाय पियो और चिल आउट करो. टेक केयर, बाय.